everybody, welcome back. So today we're making a Swiss roll cake decorated to look like Bob. I think he's an adorable character, and this technique is actually super fun because we're not using buttercream or icing to decorate the Swiss roll cake. We're actually decorating it with the actual cake batter itself, which is so much fun, and if you're not a huge fan of icing, this is a perfect recipe for you. So let's get started. So for the batter for the actual cake pattern for the cake, what you're going to need is some flour, some confectioner sugar, egg whites, unsalted butter, vanilla extract, and red, green, brown, and black food coloring. For the cake batter, you're going to need flour, sugar, some large eggs with the yolks and whites separated, salt, some unsalted butter, vanilla extract, and blue food coloring. For the filling, you're going to need some cream cheese, some unsalted butter, confectioner sugar, whipping cream, vanilla extract, melted dark chocolate, some fresh raspberries, and some dark chocolate chips. So first things first, we are making the pattern, so we're actually working backwards, which is a funny order, but it looks so cool when it's all finished. Beat the butter with an electric mixer until it's light and fluffy. Add the sugar and beat until well combined. Add the egg whites and vanilla extract and beat until combined. Then add the flour on low speed. Divide the batter into 5 bowls and dye red, green, brown, and black, leaving the remaining bowl white. Place the batter into piping bags fitted with small round piping tips. Place an image of Bob and the text on a Swiss roll pan and place a sheet of parchment paper on top. Make sure the image is a mirrored image of what you'd like because it's actually going to be flipped once the cake is baked. Type the colored batter onto the parchment paper, filling in the entire template. Then draw white polka dots onto the remaining space. Pop the pan into the freezer and freeze for 30 minutes. To make the cake batter, beat 6 egg whites and salt with an electric mixer until soft peaks form. Add half the sugar and beat until stiff, glossy peaks are formed. In a separate bowl, beat the egg yolks and remaining sugar with an electric mixer until they're pale and doubled in volume. Gradually add the vanilla extract and butter and mix until well combined. Add the flour to the batter in 2 additions, alternating with the egg whites. Then dye the batter blue and gently fold to combine. Pour the batter into the Swiss roll cake pan on top of the pattern. Gently smooth the surface and bake it at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 13 to 15 minutes or until the edges are golden. Dust a large sheet of wax paper with some confectioner sugar. As soon as the cake comes out of the oven, invert it onto the wax paper. Peel off the top layer of parchment paper, then place another layer of wax paper on top. Then you want to invert it again so that the pattern side is facing down. Remove the wax paper and starting at one long end, gently roll the cake up, then wrap it in a kitchen towel and cool completely. To make the filling, beat the cream cheese and butter with an electric mixer until it's pale and fluffy. Add the confectioner sugar and cream and beat until it's well combined. Add the melted dark chocolate and vanilla extract and mix well. Then fold the raspberries and chocolate chips into the mixture. To assemble, gently unroll the cake and peel off the wax paper. Spread the filling onto the surface and roll the cake back up again. Then wrap the cake in plastic wrap and chill it in the fridge for 4 hours or up to overnight. And just slice it up and you are done! So thank you all so much for watching. I hope that you like this recipe. If you have some other requests for future videos, make sure to leave them in the comment section down below. And if you'd like to see some more Best Fiends videos, subscribe to the Best Fiends YouTube channel, which is this YouTube channel. If you guys are looking for some other recipes, head on over to youtube.com/pankobunny, which is actually my personal channel, and I have a ton of other recipes there waiting for you. And I'm sure that you guys saw these adorable little goodies in the background of the video. If you guys would like some for yourself, definitely check the description box below and we will have a link there for you. So thank you guys so much for watching, and yeah, we will see you next time. Bye!